in Shots to Hole there are two ways of setting goals. From the Analysis tab you can create goals that look like this, or if you prefer you can set your own targets, and you do this using the ad hoc goals feature. To commence you would click on the Set Goals button, and then you need to select what type of goal you'd like to set, and you can do this from the drop down list, which can cover anything from shots to hole, dispersion, into your standard statistics, driving distance, or even how well you're starting or finishing. So I may set a goal for my client, in this case Demo 3 player, about handicap. To proceed to the next set of information I hit next, and this is going to show me how the player has played in the last 10 rounds and what their potential is. This is our default setting, so if you're not into playing with the data at all yourself, then this is a really useful measure. Or you might say, listen, how have I played in these rounds? So there's nearly 50 rounds there. When I've got the numbers I want, and you can also manually change these and say, listen, I would like my handicap to be 2. I hit next to proceed. The next step is setting a start and end date for the goal. So this is going to be a project we work on for 4 months, and once the details are correct, today's date is the starting date, I'll hit finish, and you can see there that I have a graph that will populate over time. A green line will appear, and if it's tracking down that black line, this will show me that I'm going really well. So this is how you would set an ad hoc goal using Shots to Hole. It's a really great feature and helps you keep track of things you're working on or goals for your players.